Now let's get into the modules. The modules are the bread and butter of your page building experience. The first one is the text module. Text module is where you're going to enter all your text and your subtitles for your article content. You just click on edit to go into any module once it's already placed. This is going to shadow box your page and then put this in the middle. The great thing about Wizzley is that they make the text big enough for you to see it. Once you've set up your title and your subtitle, these are going to show up one on top of the other on your article. As you can see, you have your title and your subtitle. The next thing you need to do is add your text. Text module comes with a suite of tools that are great for giving you a lot of formatting and creative power in creating the way your article looks and feels. This is the save button. This saves the modules. These are the undo and redo buttons. This is your spell check. This is bold, italic, and line through. Is remove formatting. This is going to remove all HTML out of anything you put in this box. The X2 and the X2 up, these are basically subscripts. What this does is, if I were to type this line in, but I wanted this right here to be in subscript, I would just click on this, and you'll notice it basically makes it into a tiny subscript. The difference between the two buttons is where this appears, down here or up here. It just moves it up and down, depending on how you want it to look. The next box is actually kind of an important one. Whatever you have highlighted down here is going to be affected by what is clicked in this box. If you were to click on heading 3 and then save this, you're going to notice down here that it looks like a title. That's because it's using the H3 tag, which is the same thing that makes the actual titles in the text capsule. The only difference is that it automatically adds it as an H3 in the text capsule title. The next thing is going to be the formatting of how you want your text to be aligned within the article. If you want everything to be left justified, just click on this one. If you want it centered, click on this one. And if you want it right justified, and if you want it to be like in the first, you can click on this one. This is useful mostly when you're putting a picture inside the article. If I add a picture, by using this button, you can add a picture to your article. That'll open up a pop-up box that'll give you the options of entering an image URL, image description, or uploading a picture from your hard drive. I've already added another picture from Pixabay, so we're going to go ahead and use that. And then click on upload. When the image is uploaded and you're ready to hit insert, it'll say the image has been uploaded here. So make sure this completes before you hit insert. Once it's done, you can give the image a description and then just hit insert. It's going to insert it into your article automatically to the left. You can place this anywhere in your article. You can even resize it. I added some more words in here so you get a better idea of how this works. The thing about the picture is if you have a lot of space around the picture, the space is part of the picture, so it's going to line up to the edge of the picture. If you want to get rid of this space, all you have to do is take the picture into a picture editing program and then just kind of crop it around the image. It's kind of good to have some space around the image, but I think this is a bit much here, so I'm going to go ahead and crop that. If you add more text here, it would go across here. If I wanted to put the dog on top of the text, you would just click on the end of the text and tab it down until it is perfectly flushed under the picture. And once it's where you want it to go, just go ahead and save it. And you'll notice it comes out right here. So it gives you a lot of options on how you want to format your page. You can get pretty creative and make your page pretty unique to you. Next, you have the bullet points and the numbered, which is basically if you put a bunch of things in here, you just click on that, it's going to convert it into bullet points, and you click it again, it'll take the bullet points out, and you can also use numbers the same way. And the last thing in this section is adding a hyperlink. So you would take any text that you type in here and just highlight it, click on the little icon, and just type in whatever URL you want to link it to, and it becomes a hyperlink. It's easy as that. And that completes our text module tutorial, and we're going to move on to the images next.